Well, quick start on the offensive end, George. Let's see if they can do equally so on the defensive end. It's on this end where they'll determine whether or not they're winning this.
Celtic basketball is.
Gordon, Simmons, Vucevic, Ross, and Fournier. Fournier comes up shooting and knocks down.
First of many high pick and rolls that we'll see with Harden and Capella.
You see the skill set of James Harden, not just a great scorer, David, but a terrific passer. Capella not needing to put that one on the ground.
Here's Vooch against Kavanaugh on the post. Aaron Gordon waits for Fournier. And the middle.
They had 19 points in that game against Orlando in a preseason game. Orlando's ball movement has been exceptional, and they get a good look to start the game. Magic have been a good first quarter team and an excellent third quarter team throughout the year. We'll see if that trend holds true tonight.
Fournier, obviously, Ty doesn't like working with us at all.
He's gone.
I guess I need to buy a ticket.
That's the first step. Yeah,
Can't win without a
that's
ticket.
exactly
Is that
it.
right?
Do very well, much like they did in Golden State. This is a team that can score points in bunches.
And they've been a pretty good home team. They're 9-10 here at the Staples Center.
Having won 17 in a row here at the MCI Center.
Yep.
Verizon Center, excuse me.
Yeah. And that winning streak, Frank Vogel pointed it out, started right after the Magic beat them here on December the 6th.
Yep.